Think you need a lot of money to start investing in real estate? Think again. In this video, we will show you how tiny home investing can help you start small and grow rich over time. It is affordable, in demand, and full of potential. Like this video and subscribe for more smart ways to build wealth. Let's explore how tiny homes can lead to big financial success. 1. Begin with a modest budget strategy. Start with what you can afford instead of waiting for a big budget or outside funding to begin. Tiny homes cost less than traditional houses and allow entry into real estate with smaller risk. Focus on buying used tiny homes or building a simple unit that fits zoning and your land setup. Use savings, side income, or small personal loans to fund your first project and test the market. Learn as you go without risking major losses, which makes early mistakes easier to recover from. Smaller investments let you pivot, adjust, or sell if your strategy needs quick changes later. Keep your expenses low and focus on long-term gains rather than chasing instant rewards early. Starting small teaches discipline, builds knowledge, and protects your investment from collapse. 2. Use available land wisely. If you already own land, consider placing your tiny home there to avoid buying a new lot entirely. Check backyard laws, zoning, and local rules for building or placing a secondary living structure. Using your land means fewer startup costs and better control over utilities and landscaping setup. If you lack land, rent space on a farm, rural property, or in a legal tiny home park for lower cost. Look for low-tax plots with existing road access and basic utility connections to save money. Small unused land often becomes profitable once a rental-ready unit is added with simple upgrades. Keep your design minimal to match land usage limits and avoid permitting problems during setup. Smart land usage helps you grow income without overextending your cash or construction timeline. 3. Rent the unit for passive income. Turn your tiny home into a rental that brings in steady cash every month without much effort. List it on short-term rental platforms or offer long-term leasing depending on market demand. Short-term rentals generate higher income if managed well with cleaning, guest care, and pricing. Long-term leases are easier to manage and require fewer interactions with new tenants each month. Market your home as eco-friendly, private, peaceful, or travel-ready to attract the right audience. Focus on quality service, cleanliness, and reliable systems to increase guest satisfaction fast. Build strong reviews and reputation to maintain high occupancy rates and avoid income gaps. Rental income becomes your fuel for future investments, scaling, and long-term financial freedom. 4. Reinvest profits for next build. Use your rental income to fund the next tiny home instead of spending it on personal items fast. Start a savings account for reinvestment and set income goals before you buy or build again. Use each project to improve design, layout, amenities, and speed based on previous guest feedback. With every new unit, you build momentum and multiply your cash flow from a proven working model. Reinvestment avoids debt and shows lenders or partners your ability to grow without big risk. Keep costs low and focus on building smarter units that attract better tenants and returns. Monitor each unit's performance to decide when to expand or hold for maximum monthly gain. This snowball strategy builds wealth from nothing but one home and your long-term discipline. 5. Explore multiple income models. Tiny homes offer flexible profit options like vacation rentals, long-term leases, or mobile units. You can rent by the night, week, or month depending on season, guest type, and local housing trends. Use your unit for retreats, guest stays, traveling nurses, remote workers, or college students nearby. Convert part of the space into a studio for workshops, coaching, or small product business setups. Some investors flip tiny homes after upgrades for quick returns instead of holding long-term. The same home may serve different purposes over time depending on how your goals evolve. Experiment with new models until you find the income balance that fits your lifestyle best. Multiple income paths from one unit increase resilience and help grow your investment faster. 6. Keep operations lean and simple. Simplify your business model by using online tools, smart systems, and basic management routines. Use digital bookings, automation, smart locks, and cleaning schedules to streamline daily work. Track income, expenses, guest reviews, and maintenance needs in one place using free software tools. Work with a small team or part-time help only when needed to avoid full-time hiring costs. Use modular designs, low-maintenance furniture and easy-to-clean materials to save effort. Cut unnecessary upgrades and focus on what actually increases guest comfort and income returns. Buy supplies in bulk, clean efficiently and automate check-ins to reduce your time commitment. A lean setup means less stress and more time to focus on growing the next phase of investment. 7. Learn from each project. Every tiny home teaches new lessons about pricing, design, market trends, and guest behavior. Track what works well and what causes problems so your next investment avoids common mistakes. Take guest reviews seriously and use their feedback to improve layout, storage, or comfort level. Analyze performance data to learn how seasons, pricing, or photos affect your monthly income. Experiment with minor changes like decor, layout, or policies to boost occupancy and satisfaction. Document your process and build repeatable systems you can apply to the next unit with ease. Use past experience as leverage when pitching ideas to partners, lenders, or future co-investors. Learning from action helps you grow faster than endless research or delayed overplanning ever will. 8. Build equity and long-term value. Each tiny home you own becomes a real asset that can be refinanced, rented, or sold later. Use appreciation, rental history, and upgrades to increase the market value of each property unit. Bundle multiple tiny homes into a business portfolio that can be sold or scaled into new ventures. Equity gives you leverage for funding expansion deals, partnerships, or construction projects. Tiny homes cost less but deliver strong returns, which means faster equity growth than big homes. Use equity to buy better land, invest in upgrades, or fund your next few builds without loans. Hold long-term for steady passive income or exit for lump sums based on market timing goals. Equity makes your investment journey sustainable, flexible, and capable of funding your future. 9. Diversify your tiny portfolio. Once you master one type of rental, try different market styles and guest types to expand growth. Test city units, off-grid homes, vacation stays, or mobile Airbnb trailers to find new income paths. Different properties perform best in different regions, so research before expanding each time. Offer variety in design from modern to rustic or minimalist depending on who you want to attract. Some guests want privacy, others want outdoor living, so adapt your builds to meet unique desires. Diverse listings give you protection when one area slows or faces short-term booking drop-offs. Use your experience to identify new trends before others and act early with limited competition. Diversification multiplies your income and protects your investments from sudden market shifts. 10. Stay consistent and long-term focused. Tiny home investing rewards those who take steady action over time with patience and smart decisions. Avoid chasing shortcuts, scams, or overpriced deals that do not match your profit or design goals. Set yearly plans for income growth, units built, and guest satisfaction metrics to measure progress. Reinvest, review, and refine each step so you keep learning and improving with every property owned. Ignore trends that do not match your values or customer needs and focus on your proven strategy. Track your wealth, cash flow, and net worth every month to stay motivated and financially aware. Think in years, not months, and your small beginnings will turn into a real estate empire eventually. Consistency turns tiny homes into big results through smart planning, learning, and focused execution. Tiny home investing proves you do not need a fortune to build one. Start small, stay smart, and grow your wealth step by step. If you found value in this video, leave a like and subscribe for more practical investing tips. Got questions or a journey to share? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching and take your first step toward financial freedom today.